Welcome back to another TREKon app video tutorial. In today's video, we will teach you how to download and change algorithms. There are two ways to change algorithms. One is by using the mobile app. Another way is on the charger itself. Let's start with the app first. After you start the app, make sure to log into your account instead of using Guest, as Guest login is only for viewing data. If you have issues on registering and connecting the app to the charger via Bluetooth, please refer to the Getting Started video. Now that you have connected the charger, click on the All Go tab at bottom left. This screen consists of three sections. The top box are algorithms available for download from our server. The second box shows the algorithms ready to be downloaded and saved to the charger. And below that, a drop-down menu that contains the algorithm successfully synced to the charger. To download an algorithm, click the plus sign from the server list. Notice you can only download a maximum of 8 algorithms to the app. So if you need to switch in new algorithms, click the X button to remove to make room for adding new ones. After you add the new algorithms, remember you must click the Save button for the list to sync to the charger. If done correctly, you should now see the newly downloaded algorithms in the drop-down menu. This means it has been successfully synced to the charger. You can now choose the algorithm suitable for the current application. To check if the algorithm was switched correctly, head back to Home tab and check the algorithm code here. Another way to check if the algorithm was synced to the charger is by checking on the charger itself. After you click on the algorithm from the drop-down menu, the corresponding number will be displayed on the front LED panel. Lastly, I will show you how to switch between saved algorithms on the charger itself. Click and hold the mode button for around 5 seconds without letting go. Then it will display the current running algorithm number. Click the button again to switch between other saved algorithm until you reach the one you wish to use, and just leave it on. And there you have it. Our chargers and app make switching between algorithms a seamless process. No more USBs, no more removing chargers from a machine. Alternative Trek, your alternative choice to safe, smart, and sustainable charging solution.